Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Mazda CX-7, stock number 6491. This ran from the 11th 2006 to the 2nd 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left front guard no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door code, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,